story that everybody's talking about today. Erin Cox, a Massachusetts high school honors student, suspended from her school's volleyball team and stripped of her title as captain for violating the school's zero-tolerance policy on alcohol. What makes her case so outrageous is she wasn't drinking anything. The only thing she's guilty of, being a designated driver. Fox News legal analyst Peter Johnson Jr. joins us. Peter, this is crazy.
They win the stupid award of the week at Andover High School. This is a young lady who responds to a drunken friend's plea to come pick her up. I don't want to go on the road and hurt myself or hurt others. And so she shows up, the police show up, she's not arrested, but her name is taken down. And so as a result, she loses her prized position on the volleyball team. She's suspended from games, and now she's open to national ridicule for acting like a Christian, for acting like a person who cares about others.
For acting like a captain.
Well, for acting like someone that has a civic sense, for acting like someone who's embodying the Judeo-Christian ethic in this United States, for acting like a Girl Scout, for acting like a Brownie, for acting like a 4-H member, for acting like an American. When someone is in danger, they're in peril, and they say, "Come rescue me," do you say, "Oh no, if I go into that hazardous situation, then I may be imperiled"? We wouldn't have a Green Beret. We wouldn't have Rangers. We wouldn't have people who have given their lives in America. She didn't give her life, but she gave her time, and she sacrificed her reputation in that school, and now she has to fight in court to get it back.
Is this legal? We got a number of emails from people saying, can the school actually do that?
They think they can, and it's incredible that they haven't reversed it, and they create harm and danger to her each day they don't. She's got a terrific attorney named Wendy Murphy. She brought one lawsuit. She intends to bring another lawsuit. But this is not about lawsuits. This is about an American book of virtue. This is a virtue. This is a young woman who embodies everything we want our own daughters to do and to be. You have great daughters. I have great daughters. The people in our audience have wonderful daughters and sons that they want to do the right thing. But what if she didn't go? What if that girl killed herself? What if that girl killed another family on the road? Would we then say that she did the right thing? Would she then have done her duty as a citizen, as a student, as a person of value, of quality, and stayed at home? The easiest thing would be to say, no, I can't come, because if I'm going there to that drunken party, I'm going to get busted too. But she went at a great personal sacrifice. People should be outraged. People should say, we don't walk away from our responsibilities in this country. Look at Romans, look at Ephesians, look at how we have a responsibility to be together. Are we our brother's keeper? Are we our sister's keeper? If the America is to exist, yeah, I would suggest that we are. Don't punish this girl for doing what she should be doing, what we teach her to do. And that school is hypocritical because they put up these nonsense rules on their website about respect and empathy. She showed respect for life. She showed empathy for a person in trouble, in peril. And now she's damned by it.
Well, they've got a zero-tolerance policy, and they might argue, well, she was in the same room. That just equates zero common sense policy.
They have a zero tolerance for sanity and for common sense, as you say. They should be ashamed of themselves. They've got to pull it back today and say, we made a mistake. This girl did the right thing. We're putting her back on the volleyball team. We're reinstating her reputation. We're holding a press conference, and we're saying, yes, if you have a drunken friend, reach out and help them. You're not going to be penalized for calling 911. You're not going to be penalized for getting in the car and rescuing them and rescuing others.
Peter Johnson Jr., great job.
Good to see you.
It's so
angry. It's so angry. It's
you know, a lot of people feel that way, according to the email today.
Wow.
Thank you, sir. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good to see you.